Is it on? Okay, here we go. How y'all doing? It's your boy Henny, coming from Boosted Toyz. You know, first introduction we do, introducing ourselves. Three cousins. Two of them can't be here right now, but a little tragic in the family. You know, keep your head up, cuz. Much love. We love you. Yeah, pretty much the black TT, the Audi. That's one of our next projects. And I got home today and realized that I brought we went with a K4, a KO4 with a tune and whatnot, and we was gonna try to see how good that worked. But due to the FD that y'all keep seeing pop up, my cousin's toy, it's real fast, very fast, and there's no way I think I would have kept up with a KO4. So therefore, I went with a T4, new intercooler, new everything. The setup is supposed to be great. Yeah, so I'm excited. It's a good day. Hell of a way to start my day. Came home, the package was here. And there it goes. So, let me turn the light on real quick. So, yeah, come home, package was there. Checked on the computer. I thought it was supposed to be Monday. Apparently showed up today. I went ahead and cut the tape off. And I'm about to start unwrapping these things to show you guys, show my viewers. I want to hear your input on it. I want to see what y'all think about the T4 compared to a KO4. And I don't know, give me a thumbs up, smash the button, tell me what y'all think, and we'll go from there. But for now, let me unwrap these things and see how cool they look. Okay, bye, we're back at it. So here we go. Pretty cool stuff, man. Can't wait to unwrap everything. Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to hear the pops and bangs and flames and boop, 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 boop. Everything else that comes with it. So here we go. These are all the packages that have came so far. Alright, this is a whole T4 turbo setup with turbo timer, every little gadget we need here. So let's get to it. Let's unwrap this and see what it's hitting for. Can't wait to get it in the car and see what it's gonna do. I still don't know what half of these are, but even the packaging look cool. You know what I mean? Like, I can't wait to see what's in the boxes. Obviously, that's the turbo. I know that one. And this must be the intercooler here now. That's probably the manifold. So, my guess will be, and remind you guys, this is all eBay stuff. Like, I'm new to the whole turbo scene. I love the way they pull. I love everything about it. So, why not try it out with some eBay parts? I'm running E85 on it. And yeah, we're gonna see how much we could pull from my Audi TT 1.8. So yeah, let's get to it. Unwrap these things. It's your boy. We're back at it. Check it out, man. I'm excited. I am very excited. This kit came phenomenal. Like, it has everything. It has braided lines. I mean, every gadget you need. I mean, everything I ordered came through. It's here. It's sexy. I'm loving it. Can't wait to hear this on my car. The cool blowing sounds is that new blower file is gonna make. Listen, even the waist gauge is hot. It's hot. I'm very impressed. I like it. I can't wait to see what it's hitting for. But meanwhile, let's do this. Let's show all y'all what it is. Tell me what y'all think. Leave me a comment down below. Smash that thumbs up. Tell us what you think about it. Here we go. So, all the hardware, braided lines, everything's there. To set more boost, blow off valve. I'm really liking that. I like it. I like it very much. Don't want to unwrap everything. I want to take it to the shop. Wastegate, very nice. Look at that. Quality. I mean, like how it feels. It feels right. It feels right. Can't wait to go and see. But look, came with the turbo timer. They came with gas pump. The regulator to see how much gas you're pushing in. All the gaskets. There goes the sexy turbo right there itself. Brand new. Ooh. There goes all the tubing for the intercooler. Wow, there goes the tall intercooler. Good intercooler. And there goes my header manifold. So, with all this being said, I definitely can't wait till we build everything, see how the car is gonna run. I am planning to do a wicked video for you guys as soon as that car comes out my shop, and see if the all-wheel drive and being an Audi with a big turbo and all this stuff is cool. You know what I'm saying? See what it do, cause I used to be V8 Nas all the time, and you know, we just motorheads. We love cars, period. When it comes down to cars, no matter if it's a Honda, we give props where it's due. None of that hater stuff and down talking people just because of what they drive. No, every car has potential. Every car has a motor, you know, and we all motorheads. So anything that can make it faster, right? So that's where all this falls in play. Yeah, buddy. So to the next video, there was an honor introducing us, and Boosted Toy, you know, can't wait for my two cousins to be here, put them faces on the map too, you know. We wasn't planning on making any talk videos or anything like that due to the fact that we're new to the YouTube. So yeah, we want to see where it going. If we said we get at least 1,000 views, you know, then we'll pursue it and add more to it. And so that's where we're at today. We here filming for you guys. Put my beautiful face in it this time so y'all can see who Boosted Toyz is and what we do. Whether it's motorcycles, dirt bikes, go-karts, I mean, you name it. It has a motor. We mess with it. We make them faster. We try to milk the shit out of them, see how fast they could go. And yeah, drones, we have all that. So you'll be seeing a whole lot of that pretty soon on the channel. Stay tuned, you know. Tell us what type of stuff y'all like to see. You know, we like to build. So the whole garage has been on pause. As y'all saw, the Lex also, we just put a 2J in it with a big old turbo in it. Fuel, everything. I mean, it's done up. It's done up. We still haven't turned that car on. That's also for the channel. But we also do work around the clock. So we are your average people that work pretty much all day, every day. And on our weekends, our hobby is these toys, these cars, these motors, everything we like to do. So yeah, when we get this client's car at the shop, we'll be able to have more open space, and therefore we will continue doing these videos and keeping you updated with the builds. Now, with that being said, the FD is not completely done either. We're gonna end up, we still have to tune it, you know, put on the dyno, try to give it all the max cojones that it can handle. But overall, my cousin did one hell of a build. That was a great experience going through that with a rotary engine, and it has all the full powers to it. So like it's a wrecking ball to be messed with, and we're all coming. We're all coming. So yeah, stay tuned. Tell us what you think. Smash that thumbs up and salute.